Okay, it is that time of year again. It is time to update our growth plan. First thing you'll need to do is go to Professional Growth and log in. Once you're logged in, look for your growth goal from last year. In this case, it has your name, first and last name, and then you click on Manage. Once you bring this up, then your next job is to mark complete and then submit. And that takes care of your plan for the current year. Now click on Return. Go to I have a few more dials than you do right here, but pick the one with the paper and the pencil to set up your new plan for the following year. And you'll see it's already right here. It says Individual Professional Growth Plan, in this case 18-19. You click on that. Right here you can see all the goals that I've had in the past. You can keep your goal from the previous year, but if you do, you have to retype it. And you don't want to do this unless you're really working on that goal. So I'm going to add a new personal goal. Up at the top for school year, you type in the year. 2018-2019 school year. When you get to the goal name, make sure that you put the date in again, because this helps keep things organized in our learning plan. And then a couple of words about the main goal. So one of the things that I'm really working on in my position is learning all that I can about the school improvement and the KISA process. So I'm going to type here, increase my knowledge of KISA and school improvement. And you have to be careful because they only take so many letters in this title, so I'm trying to get it short enough that it'll fit in there. And then you need a couple steps of what you're going to do to increase your knowledge. So in my case, I'm going to read and research the subject of KISA, and school improvement. And I am going to attend any workshops or conferences related to the subject. Okay, and it says you need 2 or 3 steps, so I'm happy with 2 there. Then you click Save, and you will notice that a red box came up right here. And so right here, the last thing I need to do is fill out my name, my assignment, and then go back to, and if there are any comments you want to make, like if you decided to copy your goals from last year, you might put a comment in here, something that might say something like, I'm continuing my goals for this year because I didn't complete them. So if there's some kind of note you want to add about your goals, you can put it in that comment box. Then you click Submit and Return. And hopefully you see it right here. Now it's pending prior approval, probably from your principal. And now you're set for next year. Thank you very much. Good luck.